Hello friends, this is an unboxing video of Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI 12.7 inch. We will also share some in-depth information of this tab. Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI comes with a 12.70 inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 2944 into 1840 pixels. Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8th Generation 3 processor. It comes with 12 GB of RAM. The Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI runs on Android 14 and is powered by a 10,200 mAh battery. The Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro runs Juxos, is based on Android 14 and packs 250 GB of inbuilt storage. Connectivity options on the Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI include USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 802.11. Also, you can get a 6-speaker setup turned by Harman Kardon on the Yoga Pad Pro AI. It also supports Lenovo's stylus, which has a response rate of 4 ms. Its battery can be charged at 68 watt, which is claimed to charge the tablet up to 80% in 45 minutes. This tablet is available in India of around 55,900 rupees. So friends, hope you enjoyed the full video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe our YouTube.